painted whiskers on the window too. Three little kittens drew a giant sun. One got messy but was having fun. Two little kittens with brushes held tight. One spilled yellow, oh what a sight. One little kitten had a star so small, then tiptoed off, and that was all.